Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to export file as STL in FreeCAD. So for example, let's create here a simple object. So I select here part design, I go to create body, I create sketch, and I select here XY plane, I click OK button, and I draw here a simple circle. So I click on this one icon, I select create circle by center, and I draw here a simple circle, maybe something like that. I click close button, I select pad, and now I need to click OK button. And now if I would like to export it, I need to go to model. I need to select the object that I want to export. For example, I click on this one object. I click file, then I go to export, or I use shortcut Ctrl A to do it. And I need to type here the file name that I want to use. For example, simple object. Now I need to change the type of the file, so I click on this one list. And now I need to scroll down and select here special option STL mesh with STL extension. Now I click save button, and after a moment it should be successfully exported to STL. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's not your problem.